Hello students, welcome to study point tutorial. So students, today we will do most important question of chapter 1 exercise 1.1 question number 4 of class 10. So the question, let us see the question. Question is use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integers is either of the from 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integers. So here we will do using the Euclid division lemma. So let us check. So at first we have to look here, write down let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Then by Euclid algorithm we have a is equal to b cube plus r, where r value is greater than is equal to 0, means r value will be 0 but less than the value of b. So from the question we can determine that b value is 3. So the r will be your 0, 1, 2. So in this case we can say that we will be having 3 cases. So let us see the first case. So now considering r is equal to 0, that is the case number 1. So according to the Euclid algorithm we will place the value a is equal to 3q plus 0, where 3 is here b and 0 is the r, means r is equal to 0. In the next step we will be getting a square is equal to 3q whole square, squaring both sides, as 3q plus 0 will be 0 itself. Now squaring will get a square is equal to 9q square. Now in the next step we have to be careful and see that how we can take the common. So according to the question we have to take the common. So a square is equal to 3 into 3q square, we can write it down. And in the next step we will write a square is equal to 3m, and we will let 3q square as a constant value m, where m is some integers, and as we can see 3m is matching in the question. So we will write this one as a 1. Now as the r value of 0 is completed, we will go to r is equal to 1. So again considering r is equal to 1, this is the case number 2. So according to Euclid algorithm we will place the value a is equal to 3q plus 1, where the 3 is b and here r is 1. So now we will square the both sides. We are squaring in these cases as because in the question they have asked us that the square of any positive integers. So while squaring here we have to keep one thing in mind, that a plus b whole square we have to use the formula. So in the next step what we have done, we have used the formula a square is equal to 3q whole square plus twice ab, means 3q dot 1 plus 1 square, and accordingly we have got in the next step 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So again we have to think here about the common, because we have to make the question in such a way that it will match with the question. So a square taking common as 3 and other part keeping as a constant, and also separating plus 1. So here we will keep 3q square plus 2q as a constant m, where m is a integer. Now if you see a square is equal to 3m plus 1, is it matching with the question? So we will let this as a equation 2. Now let's go to the last part, that is the case 3. So considering r is equal to r is equal to 3, and we will be getting what? A is equal to 3q plus 2, because here r value is 2. Squaring will do as same as at the above case. So while squaring we will get in the formula a square plus b square, that is a square plus twice ab plus b square, and here 3q square plus twice 0.3q dot 2 plus 2 square. In the next step we are getting 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Now look here, if we go to take the common, now while taking the common we must keep in mind that we have to match the constant part which integer they have given, that is m, in such a way that it matches with the question. So if we take the common, the 4 we cannot take it and it will not match, so we will break the 4 first. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1, we can easily write it down. Now we will take the common. Now we are taking common 3q square plus 4q plus 1. As because we have separated 4, 3 plus 1, because we have to make in such a way that it matches with the question. Next step, a square is equal to 3m plus 1. Let 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is equal to m, where m is some integer. We let it as equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can clearly say that the square of any positive integers is either in the from 3m or 3m plus for some integers. So thank you. If you like the video, do like, subscribe my channel and